Hi, my name is Abhid Reddy. This is my fourth experiment. The title of this experiment is linked list implementation of stack and queue. This is the program. The standard header files are given here. I used a set of functions, namely push, pop, and display to perform the operations of stack, and insert queue, display queue, deletion queue to perform the operations of queue. And here I used deletion queue. Again, here I used the standard library file, and here I declared a node int here int data for collecting the data, and here I used a set of pointers because in linked list every second element, the address of the second element will be stored in the first element. So here I used pointers, pointer temporary variable, pointer called decoy, and I initialized the pointer top is equal to null, and pointer f is equal to null, and r is equal to null. Here, while coming into the main function, here I displayed a choice to the user, int choice, and the statement goes like this. It displays choice for the user to perform whether the stack operation or for the queue operation first. And here I used a switch case for switching the choice. In case 1, it performs stack operation. Here I initialize character x is equal to y. This because if the user continues the program, he has to press y. While x is equal to y, the program executes, and it goes like this. In this again I used three cases, one for push, one for pop, and third one to display the stack. Here it goes like the case 1 is used for pushing a value, and case 2 is used for popping out a value, and 3 for displaying the stack. And the default statement goes like invalid choice. Again case 2, in case 2 it performs queue operations. Here I used again switch case, three cases, namely insert queue, deletion queue, and display queue. Here also default, it will break the program and the program terminates, the loop terminates. uh, Here I used another case for prompting the user whether he want to go back to the main menu. If you press y, then the program goes to main menu here and displays the choice, like whether you want to perform queue or stack. And again, these are the functions. First we'll see push function. In push function, uh, temp is equal to new node. A temporary variable creates a new node. If temp is equal to null, then it means there is no space for new element to be entered into the stack, and displays stack overflow. If top is equal to null, it means the first variable we can consider as the top, means topmost variable, but initially the top is at 0. If top is equal to null, then uh, it means there is no elements present in the stack, and it goes temp pointer data is equal to value. Then it will be temp data will be stored into the value, and temp link is equal to null, and top is equal to temp, and it moves and it means it adds a new number into the stack. Else temp data is equal to value, temp link is equal to top, and top is equal to temp. Next, going to the display statement, if top is equal to null, it means if top is equal to null, then the stack is empty. It means no elements are present to display in the stack. Else decoy is equal to top. If decoy is not equal to null, then the program continues and it goes to the decoy points data. It means decoy is equal to decoy link, and the values the elements values that are present in the stack are displayed in the output. Here while going into the pop, if top is equal to null, then the stack is empty. It means there are no elements to pop out, and it will return a default value of 0. Next, While coming into the operations of queue, in queue we use two names, namely rear and front. Here I symbolically represented rear as R and a front as F. While coming into the insert queue function, here if temp is equal to new node, consider a new element. If temp is equal to null, then uh, it means the stack the queue is full. Else, if rear is equal to null, then temp data is equal to item, temp pointer link is equal to null, and r is equal to temp, and it creates a space for new element. If friend is equal to null, then friend is equal to temp, and the value the element which to want to be entered will go to the first. Else temp data is equal to item, temp pointer link is equal to null, then rear pointer link is equal to temp, then r is equal to temp. Then while going into the void display function, if f is equal to null, then it means that there are no elements. If friend is equal to null, obviously there will be no elements to be displayed in the queue. While decoy is not equal to null, then it goes like this: decoy points data, and decoy is equal to decoy link. It means it displays the elements that are present in the queue. While going into the deletion queue, here we used a value. If f is equal to null, friend is equal to null, then there are no values, I mean elements to be displayed. Else temp it goes like this. Else temp is equal to f points link, and value is equal to temp data. It means it points temporary value points, value is equal to temporary element in data, and delete temp, and it returns the value. uh, it means we can deleted element which we want. Let me run the program. Here displaying my choice whether I want to perform stack or queue first. We'll go with stack first. Push, enter item to push. Yes. See, it is displaying two values. Basically stack works on last and first out. So when I and perform pop operation, last 55 was entered, so it will be popped out first. Sorry. When we try to pop, deleted item is 55. It means the 55 was popped. Now when we try to display the output, it comes like the 65. Now let's see if what if we pop out 65 even also. When we try to display, there are no elements present in the stack, so it displays stack is empty. Now we'll go to main menu. We'll perform the same operations as for queue. For inserting, queue works on the principle of first in first out. Let's see one. Let me display the queue. See, it is showing 33 and 44. So basically queue works on the principle first in first out. when we try to delete anything from the queue, the first, which is the element which entered the queue first, will be deleted first. So the first element entered in my queue is 44. If I try to delete an element, the 44 will be deleted first. So let me see. The item 33, sorry, the item 44 was deleted. If we try to now let me try to display this tag queue. 33 was there. When we delete even 33, now when we display, there are no elements present in the queue, so a default statement will come like this as the queue is empty. Now when I press no, the program terminates.